Hello, I'm meteorologist Francis Credencer, and here is your Montana Weather Hazards Briefing. For updates, please visit the National Weather Service webpage or contact any of the Montana NWS offices. A week of active weather is expected across the state. Following the passage of a cold front on Sunday, a couple of cold nights and low wind chills are expected through Tuesday morning. Strong winds will return to the north-central plains and south-central Montana Tuesday through Wednesday, but should be nothing like what occurred Saturday. With recent snowfall, the gusty winds may cause some blowing snow across parts of south-central Montana, especially in the foothills. A messy weather pattern will bring some rain and snow across much of the state at times Wednesday through Friday, and perhaps lasting into the weekend. Some of the mountains and passes especially could pick up significant snowfall during this time, which may lead to transportation impacts and increasing backcountry avalanche concerns. As this map shows, snowpack in the mountains remains near to above normal for this point in the season. As of Sunday evening, winter weather advisories remain in effect for southwestern Montana, but these will likely be expiring Sunday night as snowfall winds down in that area. Across south-central Montana, winter storm warnings remain in effect for the mountains and foothills, with advisories in effect for lower elevations. Snowfall here will diminish during the day Monday. As this map shows, snowfall expected late Sunday night through Monday afternoon. The heaviest lingering snowfall is expected to remain in the mountains. Lower elevations will still see snow, with impacts from slick and snow-covered roads still possible through Monday. Behind the recent cold front, Monday and Tuesday mornings will be quite chilly across the state, especially compared to recent weather. Wind chill values below zero are likely at times for much of the state, with the worst wind chills at lower elevations likely for areas along the Canadian border as well as into parts of southwest Montana. However, extreme cold is not likely, and we will quickly rebound to near or above normal temperatures for most places by midweek. Gusty winds will return to much of the state east of the Continental Divide Tuesday into Wednesday, though they should be nowhere near as strong as the winds this past Friday and Saturday. With some fresh snow in parts of south-central Montana, these winds could cause blowing and drifting snow, especially for the foothills between Bozeman Pass and Red Lodge. Winds will calm down some later in the week. A complex weather pattern will bring repeated chances for precipitation across the state from Wednesday into the weekend. For areas west of the Divide, mountain snow is expected Wednesday into Friday and could linger into the weekend, and significant snow totals are possible. For western valleys, mostly snow is forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, but may shift towards rain or a rain-snow mix by Friday. Significant snow totals are also possible in the mountains of southwest and south-central Montana, Wednesday through Friday, with snow possibly lingering into the weekend. Snow in high valleys and over mountain passes could cause some transportation impacts as well. Across the rest of the state, moisture is looking more limited at lower levels, but most locations will likely see some rain and or snow, with precipitation type very dependent on temperature and elevation. The Divide and central Montana mountain ranges could see significant snowfall. Given the complex weather pattern expected across the state, we encourage you to check the forecast frequently and check in with your local NWS office for the latest local forecast and impacts information. After a week where much of the state will see near to above normal temperatures most of the time, the Week 2 outlook points towards better chances for cooler than average temperatures across the state. There are better chances for above average precipitation as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, contact any of the 4 Montana NWS offices. We are available 24/7, 365. Have a great week.